Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka Fit Food AE, and today we're going to be making a high protein, low calorie ice cream sandwich. Now I know since it's September, technically I'm a little late for this, but it's summer until like September 21st, right? And it's still super hot in Vancouver, so I think we're good. So if you're excited to see me make this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends as it really helps the channel. And without further ado, let's get started. By the way, if I look super tanned, it's because I just got back from vacation and I'm also super jet lagged, so just bear with me. So first thing you're gonna do is preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So you're gonna grab a bowl and then add your coconut flour. This is what mine looks like. You can get it from pretty much any grocery store in the baking aisle. Next, you're gonna add in your chocolate protein powder. So I used PE Science. I have this like massive tub of the frosted chocolate cupcake. It is a whey casein blend. If you're gonna buy it, be sure to use my discount code FIT15. Otherwise, you can just use any other chocolate protein powder. Next, you're gonna add your unsweetened cocoa powder. The brand I use is Hershey's. And then you're gonna add 0-calorie powdered sugar. So this bag is running out. I do have another one though. I use Lakanto 0-calorie powdered sugar. If you're gonna buy it, you can use my discount code FIT15, but otherwise you could use any other alternative. Next, add in some baking powder. Then you're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together. Next, you're gonna add in the non-fat Greek yogurt, and then 1 tablespoon of cold water to make it easier to mix. Then you're gonna mix all that up until the texture looks like this. Next, you're gonna take a baking sheet, line with parchment paper, and spray with cooking spray. Then add the dough to the parchment paper in 2 sections to make 2 cookies. You're gonna use the back of a wet spoon to spread it out into a cookie shape. You can also use your fingers if need be. Next, you're gonna take your mini chocolate chips and then add them on top to each of the cookies and press them inside the cookie. You could also mix it into the dough if you want. I just prefer to have them on top. And now we're gonna pop that into the oven. I'm gonna put it in for 16 minutes and then check after that. So you're gonna take the cookies out of the oven and make sure to let them cool completely. So for like 15 to 20 minutes to let them harden and cool. Next, you're gonna take the 2 cookies and put a scoop of Halo Top in between and then press it together gently. And now you're done. This looks delicious. I'm excited to take a bite. So this is super messy, but taste test. It's like melting. Okay guys, it's like melting because I was taking videos and pictures, but it tastes so good. Like the combination of the cookies and the Halo Top, it's delicious. You can use like any kind of ice cream with this. So guys, the one thing that I would do differently that I didn't do this time is after you put the ice cream in between the cookies, to put the sandwich into the freezer for like 10 minutes or so. This is just so the ice cream doesn't melt as easily in between the cookies and it's just easier to eat. But yeah, if you eat it right away and don't take like a bunch of pictures and videos like I was doing, then you should be fine. Thank you so much for watching today's recipe. I really appreciate it. If you like this recipe, I'm sure you're gonna like my other ones, so be sure to check out the videos that are gonna pop up on the screen. And be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and share with your friends as it really helps the channel. And with that, I will see you guys next week. Bye.